You buy, you buy, they buy, it buy, we all buy. With shopping season in full gear, let's check out Webuy, a growing community e-commerce platform specializing in groceries and travel. What makes their business model unique is it integrates social media, using platforms like WhatsApp to create community groups that connect customers with shared interests for group purchases at discounted prices. As a result, this model is meant to improve customer engagement, offering perks like e-vouchers and commissions for activities like daily check-ins and product reviews. Group leaders play a key role by organizing purchases and managing inventory. In May 2022, Webuy expanded into travel, capitalizing on post-pandemic demand. In December 2024, Mickey 1.0 was launched. It's an AI-powered travel assistant on WhatsApp, which provides personalized travel planning support. To build on travel, Webuy partnered with CTG Mice Service Company Limited to enhance inbound tourism to China. The collaboration aims to attract at least 20,000 travelers annually by improving infrastructure, creating travel routes, and providing VIP services. CTG Mice, a subsidiary of China Tourism Group, will support Webuy's travel division, WeTrip, in offering end-to-end travel services, including visa facilitation, conference support, and heritage tours. The agreement also includes customized itineraries, VIP customs clearance, and jointly curated campaigns like Cultural Tourism Going Global. Back to its original core in retail, Webuy's platform offers a variety of products, including groceries, lifestyle goods, with group buy options for better pricing. Customers can choose between pickup and home delivery, both facilitated by group leaders who consolidate orders. Technology, like a smart recommendation algorithm and AI assistant, personalizes the shopping and travel experience. In 2023, they introduced an online-to-offline O2O model through a franchise system, merging digital and physical services for better customer experiences. The company also provides value to suppliers through market analysis and video marketing. Payment is handled securely through third-party providers, and a streamlined refund process ensures customer satisfaction. Webuy's loyalty strategy includes shopping perks, exclusive promotions, and a mobile app that rewards users with coins for future purchases. Speaking of coins, Webuy integrated Coinbase Commerce into its platform, allowing customers to pay for travel packages and products using cryptocurrencies, including the stablecoin USDC. This integration facilitates faster, borderless payments for travelers from markets like the US and Europe, purchasing tour packages to China and Southeast Asia. It helps reduce foreign exchange risks, bypass intermediary banks, and offers real-time transaction confirmation. Webuy's travel brand WeTrip benefits from this feature, enabling seamless international transactions for over 180 countries. The company is also exploring stablecoin payment solutions with Victory Securities to enable cross-border transactions for global travelers. Great! So no matter the crowd or where they're from, all can buy with Webuy. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.